Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Home Decor Lab. My name is Janvi Vyas and I am making video on DIY home decor and lifestyle. So today we are doing a DIY project for Valentine Day and I am really excited to share with you guys. So let's start our project which I named This is our happy place. You can place or hang it on a living room and decorate your home on this Valentine Day. First of all, take a wooden sheet and cut it out in a heart shape. I have cut it out in a 20 by 20 inches in a size. Then after divide your heart in a 3 to 4 pieces according to your size. As I have used heart shape of 20 inches, I am cutting this in a 4 equal pieces of 5 inches. Now it's time for painting this beautiful heart shape. So for the top part of our heart, I am using a peach color by mixing a pink and a white color. And after that, we will give a lighter shades to the down part of our heart. So as we go down, next part will be a lighter than a top one and the third will be even lighter than and so on. So I am adding a little bit of white color each time for each section and will give it a ombre effect. After paint completely dry out, we need to write some quotes or sentence. So we will determine the space that how large we need to make our words that will be perfectly fit on a sheet. Here I am writing this is our happy place. So on the top part I will be draw a symbol of heart and home. On second part I am writing this is our, and the third part I am writing a happy, and the fourth part I am writing a place. And on the side of the section, you can draw a small painting or emojis as you like. attached all the 4 pieces together. So first of all we will put a pop stick or ice cream sticks in between the section. So separate it with the equal distance. Now mark top and bottom length where we will stick this lace and cut it in an equal length. Now stick both the lace on a back side using a Favibond and glue. So now I am going to make my bow for the top part using the lace ribbon, and I just did a fold over method and make a fluffy bow. So then I took a remaining ribbon and stick it on the top part of our heart to make it hanging part. And then I attached the bow on the top and it will give a cute beautiful look to heart. And here it is all done and I absolutely love this piece. This is my favorite of all time. This is something that we should be celebrating at Valentine's Day. So if you like this DIY, hit a like button, and if you are new here, do consider subscribe to my channel for more amazing DIY and share your thoughts in a comment section. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye, take care.